How to contact AliExpress seller for dropshipping. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can contact AliExpress seller for dropshipping. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up your AliExpress and make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, to find the seller, you'll need to find a product first. So find a product. So let's say this is a product right here, and you can find the seller from here. So scroll down. You can head over to contact the seller option. It should be somewhere around here. Now, not all products will have that option, so you can search for it. And after you find it, you can then head over to contact seller. So here you will see this store option. Let's visit the store. Now, this store is the seller for this case. And after you visit the store, you should be able to get the contact information of your store if they have enabled it. So let's search for different stuff here. Tap on this and you can search for it, and there we go. Here you can find this seller's information, and you can then contact it, and after you contact it, you can do your talks about dropshipping. And that's how you can contact AliExpress seller for dropshipping. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.